Hello, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a Roblox customer support ticket and what to do when you get one. When you contact Roblox support, you'll typically receive an immediate response that includes a ticket number. This number is your unique identifier for tracking your issue. Keep in mind, due to the high volume of inquiries, Roblox may take some time to respond. After receiving the initial ticket, your case will be assigned to a support team member. Within about 4 to 5 days, or roughly a week, you'll get a follow-up email with the solution or detailed instructions on how to address your problem. The ticket number you receive remains the same throughout the process. It's crucial for referencing your case and ensuring the resolution steps align with your issue. Keep this number handy for any further communication with Roblox support. When you get the second email, take your time to carefully review the instructions provided. Follow the steps outlined to resolve your issue and remain patient while Roblox completes the necessary actions. That's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.